Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of a truly powerful ingredient, ginger. And specifically, we're going to talk all about the incredible health benefits of incorporating ginger juice into your daily routine. You might be surprised at just how much this spicy root can do for you. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine across various cultures. While you can enjoy it in many forms, juicing ginger is a fantastic way to get a concentrated dose of its beneficial compounds. So, let's get right into it. What are the amazing health benefits of ginger juice? Benefit 1, powerful anti-inflammatory properties ***. First up, ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to a whole host of health problems, from arthritis to heart disease. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which are potent anti-inflammatory agents that can help reduce pain and swelling throughout the body. If you suffer from joint pain or muscle soreness, a shot of ginger juice might be just what you need. Benefit 2, soothes nausea and digestive upset ***. This is perhaps one of ginger's most well-known benefits. Feeling queasy? Ginger juice is your best friend. It's incredibly effective at alleviating various forms of nausea, including morning sickness, motion sickness, and even chemotherapy-induced nausea. It also aids digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes, helping to ease indigestion, bloating, and gas. A small amount before or after meals can make a big difference. Benefit 3, boosts immunity ***. Looking to strengthen your body's defenses? Ginger juice can help. Its powerful antioxidant and antimicrobial properties can give your immune system a much-needed boost, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Regular consumption can help keep those pesky colds and flu away. Benefit 4, may help with pain relief ***. Beyond just inflammation, ginger juice has been shown to help with various types of pain. Studies suggest it can be effective in reducing menstrual pain, muscle soreness after exercise, and even migraine headaches. It's a natural alternative for managing discomfort. Benefit 5, supports cardiovascular health ***. Taking care of your heart is crucial, and ginger can play a role. Some research suggests that ginger may help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve circulation, all of which contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Benefit 6, antioxidant powerhouse ***. Our bodies are constantly exposed to free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that help neutralize these free radicals, protecting your cells and promoting overall health. So, how can you incorporate ginger juice into your routine? It's super simple. You can. Shot it straight ***. A small shot of pure ginger juice can be potent. Mix it with water ***. Dilute it for a refreshing and hydrating drink. Add it to smoothies ***. Boost the health power of your favorite smoothie. Combine with other juices ***. Carrot, apple, or orange juice pair wonderfully with ginger. Make ginger tea ***. Add hot water to ginger juice for a soothing brew. A word of caution, ginger juice is potent. Start with a small amount, like 1 to 2 teaspoons, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. If you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before making significant changes to your diet. So, there you have it. The incredible health benefits of ginger juice. If you found this video helpful and learned something new about the incredible benefits of ginger juice, please give us a big thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Share this video with your friends and family who could use a natural health boost, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on our future health and wellness tips. Have you tried ginger juice before? Let me know your favorite way to enjoy it in the comments below. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.